This is an instructional video guide on how to install our GoDEX thermal label printer with FedEx Ship Manager. First, you want to make sure that the GoDEX printer has already been installed in your system. If you need instructions on the installation of your GoDEX printer, please click here or on the description below, and we'll be able to show you how to install this printer. Next, open your favorite internet browser and Google FedEx Zebra driver. Once the results have been shown, look for the FedEx Ship Manager software printer support link, which is usually the first search result. For the direct link to the page, please see the video description. Once the link has been loaded, scroll towards the bottom of the page and find the Download Zebra Printer Drivers section. In this section, there will be two links. Please select the correct link based on the operating system of your computer. We are using Windows 7, so that's what we will select for this section. Once this has been downloaded, open the file. If needed, you can change the specified location of where the files will be extracted to. In this case, we will keep the default suggestion of unzipping the files to the Zebra driver folder of the C drive. Once complete, select Next. We will select the top option of Install Zebra Printer. We will also close the internet browser window because we no longer need this at all. In the Select Printer window, find the Zebra ZP500 ZPL option on the right column. Once you find this, select it and click Next. On the next window, we are prompted to select the port of where we will want to map this printer to. We would prefer to map the printer to the same port as the GoDEX printer, since that is the printer we are going to use. To find this, go to the Start button and navigate to the Devices and Printers section. Find the GoDEX printer. In this case, we are using the GoDEX RT700i printer. Right-click on this printer icon and click on Printer Properties. A new window will pop up. Within it, find the Ports tab, which is the third selection on the top row. Select this tab. Find the port where the GoDEX printer has been mapped to. Please remember this port. In this case, it is a USB 001 port. Once noted, you can now close the window by selecting OK. We will now minimize the Devices and Printers window. We will now need the port of where the GoDEX printer has been mapped to. In this case, our printer has been mapped to the USB 001 port, so we will find that port in the Options window. Once you find it, select the port and then select Next. Now the printer driver will be installed onto your computer. Once the printer driver has been installed, a window saying Printer installed successfully will pop up. Select OK, and you may need to wait for the other windows to close. Now, we want to configure the newly installed printer to the FedEx Ship Manager. Go to the Start menu and search for FedEx Ship Manager. Once found, you can select it. Go to the Start menu and search for FedEx Ship Manager. Once found, you can select it. Now, find the label printer section and select the drop-down menu. Within the drop-down, find the Zebra printer that was installed earlier. In this case, it is the Zebra ZP500 ZPL. Select this and then do a test print by selecting the test printer. This should now print a test label on your GoDEX printer. If the label does not print, you may have to restart your GoDEX printer. Once this has been printed successfully, it should look like this. Not like this. If it does look correct, then select OK. This concludes the setup of the GoDEX printer with FedEx Manager. Remember, for all of your business needs, you can trust 8net Inc. Visit our website at www.8net.com to learn more about our products and services.